Hi guys, it's your favorite guy again from Action Electronics Technology Limited. Um, couple for from some days now, I stumbled on something on TikTok concerning a particular lady that posted some setup that she purchased them from um, China. Like she purchased them directly by herself and got it installed. And so she was like people that are agitating on people not buying something from China. Yeah, let's watch the video together. Let's watch the video together.
Na me buy solar from China now, una dey cry. Una go cry tire. Because those solar you guys are selling in Nigeria, where are you buying it from? From Zambia or from Ghana? Una go cry tire. Wetin concern una? After service or no be me get my money. Make una rest.
That's a video you just watched. So truly we go rest. So we go rest. We solar technicians, engineers, or we go rest. Not the we get in money truly. But you see all what we are agitating for and all what we are taking from this space is because of our experience in this space. Me personally now, I've been in this line for over 10 years, and I can boldly tell you that all products that we've been dealing with, we used to have challenges when it comes to after sales service. Whenever that particular product have issues. So that is the reason why most of us usually agitate for us to follow products in which we knew that their after sales service support is readily available in Nigeria. Not just that it's a product that comes from China and then okay you'll be able to get parts and all, but product that it is reliable that their after sales service is readily available in our country. Yes, it's your own money that you get the money, but you see we need to understand some things in this space. We need to understand some things in this space. Let me say some months ago now, a client reached out to me. I wasn't the one that anchored the installation or did the installation, but due to my own expertise, because we also design inverters and then we do inverter repairs, so we got information that we can fix inverters and probably we can work in inverter. So they reached out to us that we should come check this inverter. So I said you have to bring it down to our workshop. So we brought it to our workshop, we checked it, and after we now checked the inverter, we discovered that this is another aspect that most people don't understand. All you just after is that today I ordered my own from China and it's still working. No argument concerning that, it's still going to work. Provided you say one thing I should tell my customer is that everything in this life or every product has their do's and don'ts. So what you can do to prolong your gadgets or things is to avoid giving that particular stuff tapping. It applies to anything, cars. Make sure it is well maintained, well used. If it is well maintained, well used, you won't have issues with it. So that particular customer, by the time they not check the first and foremost, the product is not a product that is common. She get so and something that it's the Chinese. It was designed from China, and we were not the ones that designed it or fabricated it. One thing I want us to note, more especially in this field or space, and comes to deal with inverter, most especially inverter machines, is that we have different designs of these gadgets. We have different designs, and there is what we call brain in the box of the inverter. That's what we call the main brain. Just like we human being, we have our own head here that controls our activities and all. There's also what we call like the brain, just like a computer, whereby you have the CPU that controls the main activities. Also in an inverter, there's a particular chip on the board which we call microcontroller that controls the whole activity. And this microcontroller are programmable microcontrollers. Now, what we mean by, we call them PICs. PICs, that's programmable integrated circuits. Now, before this circuit could function, they are being programmed to execute some particular commands, and that is what the inverter does. You get it? Whatever the inverter displays, everything that is going on, or that the inverter is doing another, is what this thing has been programmed to do. Same thing applies to every other electronics gadget that you see all around there. All these things are being controlled by all these chips. We call them PICs and all. Sure, you get it now. Microcontrollers in general, that's the general name. So now we discovered that the microcontroller in that particular inverter is faulty. Now, who is in the best position to fix that particular inverter? Am I the one? No. Why? Because I'm not the one that programmed that particular chip. That particular chip needs to be replaced. So now the best person who could replace it is the manufacturer. So now product that the manufacturer are not based in Nigeria, or they don't even have an office in Nigeria, they don't have after sales in Nigeria. How will you do it? Maybe probably you have to reach to them online, maybe they send you another complete board, you replace the whole board and all. So these are the things that we used to say. So this particular person, I don't know what we eventually did. We eventually working our own locally made board inside of it to make it function. So these are the things that we are always agitating for. I can be mentioning products now that I know that they have access services in this country. So if your inverter has issues, signing them now, they can easily take them to their service center. Either they get the board replaced, whatever is wrong with it, they can get it fixed and all that. But there's a product that we don't even know that. So now this particular customer now that is bragging on that, saying that she get her money. Yes, it's the truth. He knows the money, but whenever the problem arises, you will face it alone also. Probably you still can get. And the funniest thing about this kind of product, if the problem not even eventually, they might not come online back to come and show us. You get it now. So we need to be very, very careful in this space, as I used to say it. We need to be very, very careful. Before you can say you want to go into solar system and all, have a technician or engineer that you need to speak to for guidance. Let them guide you. Okay, let them do an audit for you and let them make a recommendation for you. Recommendation as regards capacity, recommendation as regards products that you can make use of. It's very, very important so that you will know in the long run waste your money. It's your money. If you feel like that, you have enough money, you can waste. No wahala. You buy this, it gets spoiled, you buy another one again. But okay, what of the what's it called? The time frame that you'll be that you're going to use to inconvenience yourself. Whenever your inverter is damaged, that you will be out of power, maybe in your home or your office space. Now that duration that you'll be out of power, for you to be looking for another alternative to get your problem fixed and so you get. So these are the things that you need to consider, and also fund, wasting money and all. So it's very, very important that whatever product we also, or let me say this, all these products that we also will promote comes from China. Yes, comes from China, but these are products that we are very, very sure of that they have office base in Nigeria. They have after sales service support fully in Nigeria, represented in Nigeria. Though sometimes they might be out of stock on parts and all, but at least with a very short time interval and all, it will get fixed and all. So it's very, very important. Let me show you another. There's another video I would like to show you. Now, this is why I'll be showing you this video is concerning this particular person. Now, this particular video I want to show you is this person, I think, also purchased this particular battery. Now, let us watch this video together and see what this person is showing us concerning this battery that they purchased.
Also, before I go open the battery, I battled with it because the screws here. There was a kind of super glue poured on the screw so that nobody could open it. So we really battled with it before we opened the battery. And on opening it, this is what we found inside the battery.
Hey, can you imagine? Can you imagine this? Opening.
Like just watched. Now, can you see what we are saying now? Now, this person probably went to buy this battery, believing that it's a lithium battery. And okay, maybe after he purchased and he got it installed, and probably maybe now that this is not performing the way it should. I think he tried to call on engineer to come check it out. So it was why they now checked it. They opened up the system and discovered that if you look at the video very well, what was inside the supposed lithium battery was a dry cell battery. Duravolt, I can say Duravolt, dry cell battery. And to make the system heavy, they also put in stone inside. Can you see what people are using money to buy? So he said, you need to, we are saying, you need to be very, very, very careful out there. This solar space, it is those that are experienced and understand these things, knows the real ones. In fact, from look, aesthetics, and then the products we are dealing with and all. Me personally now, for example, before I install any particular product, not especially new product for a customer, whenever we get it to our own office space, we take it to our workshop, we look at it very well. We look at it very well to be sure that this thing is what we want and it's going to give us what we want. We test and all. So it's not that we just buy or buy. No. It's in solar space. It's more than that now because of what is happening out there. A lot of fake products and a lot of fake things that are being distributed and be spreading up and down. And these are the things that is causing this mentality that solar is a scam. Solar is not a scam, but it is you people that is looking for what is not up and down. So we need to be very, very careful out there. Thank you. I want you to follow us, like, comment for more solar tips, guides, and all. Thank you. Peace out.